Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Agnes Collera, your Las Vegas realtor from Century 21 Americana. Today I'm here inside Tribute Trails. This is located in northwest of Las Vegas. This is a new community. It will be their grand opening. I was lucky to get invited. We are previewing this new community today. They're offering 4 different floor plans. They have 206 home sites, and the starting price is $346,990 up to $375,990. Today we are going to feature the plan 1430, and again I'm excited to show you guys this home and welcome to this community. So hi everyone, this is the plan 1430. This is a 2-story home, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, and 2-car garage, and it's priced at $375,990. And I am so excited to show you guys this home. Come on in. So pretty much what you see here is what you get. This is an open layout area. You're looking at your living room. This is a perfect space for entertaining. Right here is your modern kitchen. I love this large island with the single undermount sink. Love the white cabinets. All the appliances comes with this house. Right here is your 2-car garage. It has this tankless water heater and the soft water loop. Let's go back inside and check. This is your powder room on the first floor. And right here is your pantry. Let's check your little backyard on this side. It's not a lot of space, but you can put sitting area outside. Experience the outdoor area. Again, this is 1,430 square feet. Price at $375,990. Let's go to the second floor and see what's in there. I know all the 3 bedrooms are in there, plus a loft area. I guess this is a loft area. You can use this as a gaming room or a music room. This side right here is secondary bedroom. This house is very affordable. Right here is your closet. And there's another bedroom over here. This side you'll see your closet. And this is the shared bathroom. Comes with the single vanity and your combination tub and shower. And this is your laundry area. The washer and dryer is included in this house. There's a linen closet over here. Plenty of space. Now let's go check your primary bedroom. There's one single LED. Right on the side is the primary bathroom. Also, this features a single sink vanity. And this is the closet. Let's see. There's not a lot of space, but they added the shelvings here. And also they put this smart paneling inside the closet. Again, this is the plan 1430, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage, and a loft. This price at $375,990 is very affordable. And this community just opened up. It's their grand opening. They have 206 home sites. 4 different floor plans that you can choose. If you are interested of owning one of these homes, during your first visit, you need a realtor to represent you so they can negotiate with the price and also the process of owning a home. Well, I'm gonna show you this storage area underneath the stairs. And also, this is the wireless hub for this house. This is a smart home. So Right by the front door, there is a video doorbell, Kaylee's remote entry. Again, my name is Agnes Collera. You can reach out to me at 310-848-5693. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comments. And thank you very much for watching my video.